Good evening, Mtokozi Suswenka, and we are live here at Inkosi Albert Luthuli International Convention Center. And this year, 2026, we are doing second edition of eThekwini Gospel Music Crescendos. Manje isitayela, isuti, ingubo, i-hairstyle, i-crocs, lalela kuzobe kukanje.
Zolontsha or i-live recording for ama-eThekwini Crescendos. So sibe nochungechunge ke kuma-wadini sihamba siqoqe ithalente sagcina sisele ney'ngane eziwu-22 are below 30 ages of 30 uyibona-ke namhlanje sizoba-recorda. This is part of the development that we are doing as umkhandlu under recreation.
Friend, ngishaphi ngiyajabula ukubona. Khamba kahle.
I'm fine.
Lento yokusweka wakayeka. Kodwa ngiyakufundisa kahle yabo. Buka nje usumuhle kanjani.
Angifuni ukukhomenta.
Buka nje.
Ithini nganga. Sesikhona bafowethu kuzoba mnandi kakhulu. I am your program director. Tshela umakhelwane ukuthi lalela awukabone lutho ngempela ke wena ke. Ubuhle lobu nje. Kukhona obuhle obuzayo kunalobu. Ayibonga Nkosi.
awathatha ubhobho ngibemeze ngitshele ukungudose.
So eThekwini is excited about this production and we'll do everything we can to support it, to give them exposure and more platform for their own development.
And I've just seen the first half of the show. For me, it felt like already these people should be performing like as professionals.
This is really an amazing event to see uMasipala waseThekwini uplifting talent, and congratulations to Masipala and Parks and Recreation at Thekwini. Siyabonga.
Sure.